Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making some amazing, quick and easy peri fried chicken. I'll be leaving the list of the ingredients in the description box. Remember to check the other peri chicken recipe on my channel as well. So without further ado, let's jump right into making this amazing, crunchy, juicy chicken. So these are the list of the ingredients for making the peri sauce, and I will leave it in the description box, everything that I use. We are going to blend this until it is really nice and smooth. Perfect. So now what I'll be doing is placing this sauce. You can taste the sauce and make sure it's, you can adjust the flavoring here as well as I did. And then I pour that mixture right over my chicken. This is perfect. And then I place it in a Ziploc bag and I place it in my refrigerator overnight. So this was done the next day. Preparation is key, guys. It's key. Okay, so now we'll be preparing our flour and batter. So we're going to mix everything in together. Then we're going to divide the flour. We're not going to use any eggs or milk today, or so I divided the flour. I took half and I add some water, turned that into the batter. And the remaining flour, I use that for dredging. So we're going to flour this really well, guys. And then we're going to dust all the excess flour off, let it sit for about 10 minutes, and head to the fryer. Fry about 6 to 7 minutes until this is nice and golden brown and the chicken has been cooked all the way through. This looks absolutely amazing. The crunch in this chicken, guys, is superb. And it was so juicy and flavorful. You can see all the thyme and the parsley flakes. It was the bomb. So I do hope you guys try this recipe. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment. I appreciate you guys. See y'all in the next video. Bye-bye.